Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's paint two duck siblings tonight. As the subject is white, I have to paint the background first. It is called negative painting. The more dark you make the background, the more realistic will be the white subject. I have chosen two kinds of blues here. One is ultramarine, another is phthalo blue red shade. I will paint the background with these two colors by putting the pigments and blending it repeatedly again and again until I reach the desired depth. My paper is Arches 300 gram cold pressed. My brush is number 10 heritage round. My paints are from Sennelier. You can check the reference from the link given in the description box. And if you want the sketch, then you have to go to my Patreon page and it is free. The link is in pinned comment. With somewhat thicker paint, I am making tree-like impression in the background with the tip of my brush. Just to give some interest, I will be splattering some clean water. I will first wet the ground which is covered in ice in ultramarine. Then I will blend it with a mop brush and make some irregular marks with the tip of my brush and make some of these marks even darker to suggest them as foot marks. I will also paint the shadow of the ducks with the same color. I am putting the color in straight line and then I will blend it. For the duck, I will be painting the shadows only, and for the shadows I am taking burnt orange and phthalo blue red shade. The extreme bottom of the ducks will be the darkest part, and you have to blend it gradually as it goes upward. Then make some shadow of wings with the tip of your brush. And then darken it with little bit of sepia. Then paint the beaks of the ducks with orange and the eyes with black or neutral tint. The legs are also orange, and then darken it with little bit of dark red. Just giving a light wash of blue on the body of the ducks to make it more realistic. Now I am going to splatter some white gouache over the dark background to suggest some snowflakes. You have to do this when the painting is totally dry. So the painting is done. Please give a thumbs up if you like the video and share it with your friends if they are in beginners level. See you in my next video. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy.